Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, March 25, 2024. That's quite a difference, isn't it? She's our 1932 15.5 foot Chris Craft Runabout, which we have installed what we call our true 5200 alternate bottom. And I'll hand it over to Joe so he can bring you up to speed.
Yeah, so I finally got everything laid down, everything got CPES, and then I was able to go through and put our 5 coats of the Interlux 2000E, alternating between gray and white. That way you can avoid missing any holidays and make sure it's all completely covered. And then from there we went with 4 coats of the Old Salem Hard Racing Copper. In my opinion, just it's such a nice look on these boats. Really elegant. So after all this is finally dry, I just put the final coat on it this morning. I'll be able to pull back all the tape and paper, and then I'll be able to redo the boot stripe on it. The one that was on there before was kind of wavy, and it just didn't look all that great. So now we'll be able to put the new one on there, razor edge it, and she'll be ready to be flipped up and start going the other direction.
Well, and if you remember, her finishes above the waterline are really in excellent shape. Her lettering is all gold leaf, and our goal is to sand off the sheen and just apply 4 or 5 coats of finish varnish, at which point she'll be ready to reassemble. And her engine is being rebuilt by Robert Henkel, Peter Henkel Incorporated in Marine City, Michigan. So we'll be waiting for that to come back. But we'll get everything else together. And she's going to be pretty smart. And I can tell you, this is a bottom that's going to be there for a long time. It's just solid. If the paint weren't still kind of tender, I'd ask Joe to give it a whack. And we'll do that very soon. So that's our update on our 1932 15.5 foot Chris Craft Runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.